Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest high quality. To know how to fix or to solve Pinterest quality, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to Pinterest. Here. After that we'll enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we will go to click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. After that, in this page subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.